Dua, tiga.
Halo guys,
I'm Nia Ramadhani and
I'm Yeni Aidatul Fitri,
we will the story of two children.
namely Tony and Ega. How does the story continue?
Watch the video until the end. Tony and Ega. There are two people.
Oh iya, dia tuh.
There are two people. Ega and Tony play football indoor. Suddenly, Tony stopped playing. Ega asked, "Why stop playing?" Tony answered, "I feel hungry." Ega invite Tony go to market. Ega say, "Let's go to market." Ega and Tony walk slowly go to market. Suddenly, Ega say, Tony, look at the mango tree. It look very sweet."
Tony say, "Yes, I feel hungry. Look at the mango."
Ega say, "Tony, hurry off, 'cause the yellow mango is sweet."
Tony say, "What if Uncle comes?"
Astaga, ulang. Ega.
Ega say, "What?" Ega say, Tony say,
Ega sih benar.
kok Ega say?
Tony sih, oh iya Tony.
Tony say, "What if Uncle comes?"
Ega say, "Don't worry, Uncle is going to market. I look."
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Tony climbed the mango tree and Ega keep under. And one mango fell.
Feel. Ega say, "Oh, that you draw a mango or a storm."
Tony say, "Sorry, I didn't see you. Don't stare."
After that finish picking the mango, suddenly from a distance a woman's voice heard. Miss Nia say, "What are you doing, guys?"
Tony and Ega ran fast. Mr. Nia come to Mr. Hassan house.
Miss Nia say, "Tok tok tok, Assalamualaikum Mr. Hassan."
Mr. Hassan say, "Waalaikumsalam, Miss Nia. What's up? What happened?"
Miss Nia say, "Mr. Hassan, I say the children, Tony and Ega, the run carrying a bag."
"What's a bag?"
Miss Nia say, Mr. Hassan sudah.
Mr. Hassan say, "What's a bag?"
Miss Nia say, "A containing bag of mangoes." Uncle come to home from the market to see his garden in a mess and found a broken on his mango tree.
Uncle say, "What happened? Why did his branch break? Who climbed this tree?" Then Uncle saw footprint the size of child feet.
At
kesedihan. At siapa?
Saya kan. At Tony house. Oh no. At Tony house, Tony mothers was waiting dengan ulang-ulang. At Tony house, Tony mother was waiting at the door, waiting for Tony return.
Tony say, Assalamualaikum, moms.
Tony mom say, Waalaikumsalam. What do you carry in that bag?
Tony say, I and Ega got mango from uncle.
Gini ya, mungkin ada lebih panjangan di sini tuh. Tony come to home, terus Tony say gitu. Tony come to home. Tony say terus Tony kan di setiap ada pertanyaan kita jawab. Tony mom answer menjawab atau Tony answer gitu kayak
boleh
menjawab kayak
tambahin dah
kata ayo sih ada bagian sida ada bagian saya ulang ya dari Tony at house itu ya.
Tony at
saya kan
saya
At Tony house, Tony mother was waiting at the door, waiting for Tony return.
Tony coming to home. Tony say, Tony look a mother, and Tony say, Assalamualaikum, moms.
Tony mom say, Waalaikumsalam. And Tony mom asks, what do you carry in that bag?
Tony say,
Tony answer. Kan dia menjawab. Ayo, Tony answer.
Tony answer, I and Ega got mango from Uncle Rudy.
Kan ada Uncle Rudy-nya.
Ulang. Yang mana nih?
Tony answer, I and Ega.
Tony answer, I and Ega got mango from Uncle.
Tony mom say, are you eating, Tony? Tony, that you still the mango. Tony mom say, are you eating, Tony? Tony, that you steal the mango?
Tony answer, not stealing, Mama, but taking what has been faked.
Tony mom say, it's the same steal. Tony, you that get permission from uncle will call Ega that the truth.
At Ega house, the telephone rang. It was direct to Ega father. Toot, toot, toot.
Tony mom say, Assalamualaikum, mister.
Ega father say, Waalaikumsalam, miss. What's wrong? Why did you suddenly call? What happened?
Tony mom say, This is a problem about Tony and Ega children. The dad much the
Something.
the died some the died something apa lanjutannya itu?
Cuping. That
Ulang ya.
this problem.
Tony mom say this is a problem about Tony and Ega children. The did something but Ega Yuda.
Hah?
Tinggal sini.
Kan belum ulang katanya tadi.
Iya namanya udah sayang. Saya selanjutin dia biar Ega pada ulang.
Tit.
Tony mom say this is a problem about Tony and Ega children. They did something but
Ega father say, what are they doing?
Tony mom say they have stolen mangoes from uncle to garden.
Ega father say, I really don't know what happened. I will ask Ega about this. Ega father, Ega, there's something I want to ask you her.
Siapa?
Ega come out of the room, looking very scared.
Ega father say, Ega, we are a respectable family. Why did you why did dengan di?
Yeah, why did?
No. Ega father say, Ega.
Aku enggak sih Ega fathernya.
Oh
Kan
iya.
aku Ega father say, Ega, we are a respectable family. Why did you steal the mango?
Ega answer, I was hungry when I said that mango. It looks sweet.
Ega father say, if you hungry, you just. Ega father say, if you hungry, you just eat rice.
Ega say, but we don't have any mangoes.
The next day, Tony and Ega received news the mango. The next day, Tony and Ega received news that many people.
Ulang dia, biar dia.
The next day, Tony and Ega received news that many people already knew they stole Uncle Mango. All the residents get hurt together to discuss the death of the mangoes. Mr. RT called them to the village hall for a meeting with residents. Then, after everyone met, Mr. RT say, okay.
Stop. Tangan saya tadi. Dem dengan.
Then, After everyone meet, Mr. RT say, "Okay, we will start the meeting regarding the mango debt problem."
Miss Nia saying, I, as an eyewitness, say them steal a bag of mangoes from Uncle. The garden the just ran away.
Mr. RT say, "Tony, Ega, why did you run away when you were caught taking mangoes?"
Tony answer. Tony say, reflex, sir, because we hurt someone.
Ega say, "And also we were very tempted to see such sweet mango." Suddenly, the door opened. A police officer came in.
Police say, good afternoon. I heard there was a case of mango death.
Tony and Ega looked pale and scared. Police say, "Ha ha ha ha, don't worry."
Tanganku.
Dari mana nih?
Police say. Police say.
Tony and Ega.
Boleh.
Tony and Ega looked pale and scared. Police say, "Ha ha ha, don't worry. I was only call her to give you advice. You won't be arrested."
Uncle take over. Uncle is standing in front of the door.
Uncle say, "I'm not angry that you take my mango. I just disappointed that you didn't for
Kelihatan tangan saya,
Iya.
coba sih dia dari situ. Itu aja. Nah, biar dia mudah. Ayo semuanya.
Dari mana? Uncle Rudy say?
Iya.
Uncle Rudy say, "I'm not angry that you take my mango. I just disappointed that you didn't for permission."
Tony say, please forgive. Dia ya forgive nih. Tony say, please forgive us, Uncle. We admit our mistake. Will cring.
Ega say, Ega cried when he saw Tony crying. "Sorry, Uncle. I just want to eat mango."
Uncle crying itu bukan menggoreng ya?
Bukan.
Apa dong?
Menangis.
Oh, menangis. Ya udah. Uncle say, why do you have to steal? You just ask, Uncle will give you a lot.
Tony and Ega say, I'm sorry, Uncle."
Uncle say, Uncle
Son.
Apa itu son?
Anaknya Uncle. Anaknya paman. Ada dia ikut.
Son itu artinya?
Anaknya pamannya. Anaknya paman itu.
Orang dari Tony and Ega.
Tony and Ega say, I'm sorry, uncle.
Uncle say, hmm,
Uncle Son. Uncle Son.
Uncle dulu.
Oh ya.
Ya Allah. Ayo ulang.
Tony and Ega say, I'm sorry, uncle.
Uncle say, hmm,
And Uncle Son say, come on, Dad. Forgive them. They look pitiful.
Uncle say, okay, I forgive you. But
Tony and Ega say, but what, uncle?
Uncle say, you have to help Uncle profit the garden for 2 weeks.
Tony say, 2 weeks?
Ega say, oh my God, you are not free to do anything.
Tony mom say, good, that's you punishment.
Ega father say, that's the result. That's the punishment you deserve. Next time, don't steal mango again.
Uncle Son say, calm down everyone. I will watch over them.
Tony say, promise, one steal mango again.
Ega say, same, even though the fruit looks very delicious.
Uncle Logan. After 2 weeks of helping, Uncle cleaned the garden. Uncle gave them cold mango.
Mango juice.
Ya udah. Ulang lagi nih.
Yeah, after.
After 2 weeks of helping Uncle clean the garden, Uncle gave them cold mango juice.
Uncle say, well, today marks exactly 2 weeks since you work help Uncle clean the garden. Uncle made you cold mango juice. Uncle is proud of you. Front of you.
Tony say, the juice, gitu ya?
Yeah.
Tony say, the juice is delicious and fresh. Uncle, can I add more juice?
Uncle say, of course you can, as long as you. Uncle say, of course you can, as long as you don't steal mango again. Ha ha ha.
Sadly, Miss Nia Miss Nia say, hey, if you want mangoes, tell me too. I have information about the mango tree in the next neighborhood.
Tony and Ega say, ready to execute. Everyone laugh. Ha 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 ha.
And since the day Tony and Ega becomes famous as the mango did do. Okay. Next day, Tony and Ega took the neighbor's mangoes according to Miss Nia information. At school, Tony and Ega are planning.
Tony say, let's pick the neighbor's mango.
Ega say, still mangoes again. I am afraid I get caught again and be finished.
Tony say, no, this time we won't get caught. I have strategy.
Ega say, what kind of strategy?
Tony say, we will not climb the mango tree, but we'll take it with a long stick. Then you take the fallen mango and immediately put in the bag.
Ega say, but I am still scared after the incident.
Tony say, calm down, calm down. Come on, just follow me after school.
After school, Tony and Ega immediately immediately went to the mango tree to take.
Tony say, Tony and Ega arrive at the place. Tony say,
wait a minute here, I get some word.
Ulang dari sini. Sida yang ini dah biar sama kayak itu.
Yang mana?
Ini Tony and Ega arrive.
Tony and Ega arrive at the place. Tony say, wait a minute here, I get some word.
Ega wait for Tony with a feeling of fear. Suddenly, the auntie who owned the mango come and auntie say, why are you standing here?
Ega say, I am waiting for my friend Tony.
Auntie say, come on in, just wait inside, don't just stand there outside.
Ega say, okay auntie, but Tony how?
Now auntie will wait for...
Auntie say dulu.
Auntie say, now auntie will wait for him and invite him in home.
Tony come. Tony was surprised to see his auntie waiting for him. Instead of Ega.
Tony say, hey auntie, did you see my friend Ega? I told him to wait here for a moment.
Auntie say, yes, I saw. Auntie say, yes, I saw. Your friend Ega was inside. Auntie had told him to wait inside.
Tony came in and sat with Ega at his auntie's house. Suddenly, auntie asked, auntie say, do you want some mango?
Tony and Ega say, yes.
Tony and Ega say, yes. We want mango.
After getting mangoes from Auntie, Tony and Ega go to home, feeling heavy.
Thank you.
Itu udah.